Welcome to IT Unboxers. Today we are doing a quick review and a quick look for upgrading memory and graphics card for Dell Precision Tower 5810. Let's start. We have already unboxed the workstation. It is a tiny workstation with nice build. It is shipped with Intel Xeon E5-1600V4 series, or we can select Intel Xeon E5-2600V4 optionally. On the front side we get 3 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 3.0 port, microphone and headphone, DVD drive, etc. On the back side we have 1 RJ45 network port, 1 serial port, 1 PS2 mouse and keyboard ports, audio line in or microphone and line out ports, 3 USB 3.0 and 3 USB 2.0 ports, etc. Inside the box we also get keyboard and mouse, recovery media and some documentations. This workstation is pre-installed with Windows 10 for Workstation Edition. We can open the side cover, and see what are the options inside. There are 2 hard disk bays available and 1 hard disk is pre-installed on this system. Software RAID is supported with 2 hard disk, either RAID 0 or RAID 1 maximum. Intel C612 chipset is used in this workstation. This is a server-grade chipset with features like dual socket support, ECC support, and extra management support. Dell Precision Tower 5810 features Dell Precision Optimizer version 3.5, which enhances application performance by optimizing settings, for up to 121% application performance improvement. For upgrading RAM we have to remove the CD drive like this, and remove the cables from DVD drive. Then remove the memory cover lock and pull out the cover. It supports Intel Xeon processor E5-1600V4 product family, with Intel Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0 delivers the single-threaded performance you need to complete complex tasks quickly. It can manage large data sets with ease, with up to 256 GB of quad-channel 2400 MHz DDR4 ECC DIMM memory. We can choose from a broad selection of professional-grade AMD FirePro or NVIDIA Quadro graphics. There is optional Intel PCIe SSD drives and M.2 PCIe NVMe SSDs on the actively cooled Dell Precision Ultra Speed Drive Duo or Quad deliver superb read-write throughput, combined with exceptional reliability. There are 8 DDR4 DIMM slots on the board. We must consider the DIMM slot numbers and the memory should be upgraded accordingly. Insert RAM and replace cover and refix the DVD drive. It supports Intel KW storage option, enables performance that is near solid-state drive speeds at a significantly reduced cost versus a full SSD storage solution. Dell Precision Tower 5810 features has best-in-class chassis design. A straightforward, clutter-free interior provides superb airflow, easy access to components for serviceability and modifications, and improved acoustics. This is the only mainstream tower workstation family to offer an externally accessible tool-less, lockable, power supply for superior serviceability. The integrated front and rear aluminum handles for easy deployment and moves. It has room for up to 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch tool-less hard drives. Its 825 watts power supply unit option for high wattage graphics cards support in compact chassis. Dell Precision Tower 5810 is shipped with P600 graphics, a 2GB PCI Express 3.0 graphics card. Here we have chosen P2000 for upgrade. It features a Pascal GPU with 1024 CUDA cores, large 5GB GDDR5 onboard memory, and the power to drive up to 4 5K displays natively. The box contains 4 DP to DVI converter cables and driver media and documentations. P2000 is coming with PCI Express 3.0 x 16 interface. We can first remove the lock and remove P600 from the PCIe port. And P2000 can be fixed like this. Thanks for watching. Please comment your queries, like and subscribe.